What's up, you guys? I'm Christina Sheree. If you're new to my channel, hey, why don't you go ahead and take a quick little second and hit that subscribe button while we're having this moment. It's so awkward for me to start these things, but just roll with me. So you guys, I played with my Artist Couture palette today, and this is what I came up with. I just wanted something green and brown and earthy and smoky. So this is what I did today. If you're interested in how I got this look, please go ahead and keep on watching. Let's just jump into this video. So I learned a new technique when I did this masterclass with Pat McGrath. So it's probably not new if you're a makeup artist, but for me it's new, so I'm going to try it today. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Melt pencil. It's, what is this one? Columbia. So this pencil here. And I'm actually going to put the base on my lid with this and then smudge it out. I've only primed the top of my lid where I'm not putting the pencil. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over the eye to lay it down as a base for the shadow so that it has a bit more depth. Okay, so Lumia is all over my lid, and I used my, I can't see it, this MAC brush. This is a little flat shader brush to just go ahead and smudge it in. So I smudged it all at the top and then underneath, just to use as a base for the next color, and it should give it more depth and saturation because it's a darker base. You could use a black or even a darker brown, but I wanted to try this dark brown, so that's what I did. Alright, so now I'm taking my finger and going into Bronzania, so this color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and place this all over the lid. I really like the way that looks, but I want this green to kind of show through a little bit more. So same brush, same color. Now I'm just going to Fix Plus the brush and place it just on top of it. Yeah, that amps it up a lot. I like that. I really like that. Okay, so using my Morphe M431, I'm going back into the color Supreme. And I'm going to place this really close to the lashes, so just over where I smudged the liner. And I'm actually going to Fix Plus the brush and just go from, just place that color all along the lower lash. Picking up my Morphe R37, I'm going into the color Aesthetic, and I'm going to place this in the transition area, so all along the lid, just like so, and then we're going to blend that upwards. Okay, same brush, I'm not switching the color off. I'm now going into the color Mink, and we're going to place this in the crease, but we're going to focus the color on the outer third first. So just go ahead and place that in there. So I want to darken up the outside a bit more, so I'm taking my Morphe R42, so it's a flat shader brush, and going into the color Mink. I'm just going to place this on the outer V. Okay, with a clean blending brush, I'm just going to go all around the look just to diffuse those edges. And I haven't placed anything on the lower lash except for that shimmer. We'll put another color in just a moment. Picking up my Morphe M35, this really tiny brush here, I'm going into the color exposed. We'll see how that looks. It's a pretty fair color. I'm going to place it under my brow. So taking that same brush, I'm going back into the color exposed. I'm going to place this as an inner corner, and we're going to put another color on top of it. Okay, same brush, going into Bronzania, and I'm going to fix plus the brush and place this just over exposed in the inner corner, like that. Alright, picking up my Charlotte Tilbury, this Green Lights matte. I'm going to use this side here. It's a really pretty green. And I'm going to go all in my waterline. See what this does. Alright, I like that. So I'm going to take the same pencil and go up top and focus it on the outer V. And then I'm going to smudge it. Okay, so I'm going to take the other end of the pencil and put this in the center of the lid, just to give it a bit more of a green highlight, like that. Alright, so I'm going to do liner, just a little tight line, and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright fam, so I did a few things off camera. I used my favorite liquid liner, my NYX, that's the point. And for this, I usually just go right in between my lashes along the entire lid. And what it does is, I love it because it actually makes my lashes look darker and fuller. And for lips, I used my Charlotte Tilbury, what is this called? Pillow Talk number 3 Intense. It's just a brown. Just a nice brown pencil. So I use that. And then for the lips, I actually use my Artist Couture. And this one's called Power Play. So I use that for the lips. And what else did I do? I think that's all I did. Yeah, that's all I did. And my lashes. So you guys, thank you for spending some time. I hope you like the look. If you do, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're in that area, please, why don't you go ahead and take some time to hit that notification bell, subscribe, and of course, like the video. And of course, leave a comment below, because I really love to engage and want to find out if you have any other suggestions for videos, if you like this palette. I know the palette was re-released. I'm not sure if it's actually sold out by now, but hopefully it's not for you guys. Alright you guys, so yeah, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you for spending some time with me. Whatever time it is, morning, noon, or night, I really appreciate you gave me some of it. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.